Chazak Baruch. B'ezrat Hashem Mincha is going to be 5:10. Please be on time. 5:10. Downstairs in the the basement level. The halacha we're going to deal with today and for the next few halachot is about a shaliach tzibur, a Chazan that makes a mistake in the tefillot. What should he do? So this happens sometimes. It could be that a Chazan can make a mistake, and the question becomes like this. So first we're going to discuss if a Chazan makes a mistake in his own private Shmona Esrei, not the one that he says out loud. So let's say a mistake like he forgot Rosh Chodesh, he forgot to mention Ya'aleh V'Yavo in his silent Shmona Esrei. Or if he forgot to say Baruch Aleinu when he was supposed to say Baruch Aleinu, instead he said Baruchenu, or vice versa. The Halacha goes ahead and says that in these cases, if he remembers that he made a mistake, and now these mistakes require usually an individual to go back to the beginning of the prayer. If you remember at the end of the tefillah, you have to go back and start over. So does the Chazan start over if he remembered after you finished the Shmona Esrei? He says, oh, I just finished. He says, Oseh Shalom. He wants to start the repetition. Oh no, I forgot to say Ya'aleh V'Yavo. In that case, we tell him, don't go back. Why not? Why shouldn't he go back? He should be like everyone else, because he's about to do the Hazara. So look, you made a mistake. It requires you to go back, but the repetition will count in its place. So that would be good enough. Now, if you remember during the time of the prayer, while he was in the middle of the prayer, then he needs to fix it. He has to fix it. He can't just say, no, I'm going to do the Hazara, and therefore it's not a big deal. He's got to fix it. But if he remembered after he finished, we're not going to tell him to go back, because by him going back, everybody's going to have to wait for him. And we say, what? Why should we all wait for him? He has to do the Hazara anyway. Let him just do the Hazara, and that will count for his personal tefillah. The same thing, by the way, is true by the Arvit of Shabbat, because we will see that even though there is no repetition in the Arvit of Shabbat, but there is Me'en Sheva, which you say after the tefillah, there's a little bit of a paragraph of a bracha, and that also counts as a repetition, so he would not have to go back because he can rely on the fact that he says the Me'en Sheva. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen.